everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars stuck on loading screen. If Brawl Stars gets stuck on the loading screen and never enters the game, follow these steps carefully. First, wait for at least 10 seconds. Sometimes the game is loading server data in the background. If nothing happens, close the app completely and then reopening. To close the app completely, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Brawl Stars and then swipe it away. Now go ahead and reopen it. This clears temporary glitches. After that, check your internet connection. Brawl Stars requires a stable connection. First of all, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues, or connect to a stronger network so the app operates smoothly. Avoid using VPNs as they often cause loading issues. Now restart your device. This resets background process that interfere with game loading. Make sure that you have enough storage, so open settings and then go to iPhone storage by going to general. Then check if you have enough storage available. If you do, then your app will be good to go. After that, also check if Supercell servers are under maintenance. If servers are down, the game will stay stuck no matter what you do. Once servers are back and your connection is stable, the loading screen issue should be fixed, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.